quick recap of the markets certainly finds quite a lot of interesting events happening thus far. Over the weekend, we had the attention focused on the French election, and the eventual victory of Emmanuel Macron certainly clears some of this concern over the French elections for the market. The prices had briefly shot up to 1.1023 level for the Euro-US dollar after the announcement was made, but we did see more of the buy the rumor, sell the news happening over here as the currency pair was last seen trading at 1.092 into Tuesday afternoon here in Asia. So with the passing of the French election, I certainly expect more of this attention being returned to monetary policy and also the health of the economic bloc. And for those trading that currency pair in the short term, you would find psychological support around 1.09 and resistance at 1.10 level. Another interesting event for the market certainly having the decline in the VIX. The CBOE volatility index, also best known at Wall Street's fear gauge, have certainly been showing some sort of calmness, and others would call it complacency within the markets. So indeed, on Monday, the Nasdaq index and also the S&P 500 index had touched a fresh all-time high. This optimism has certainly been supported by earnings thus far, but could this really be kept on further? In my opinion, this could actually make the VIX a good entry point at this current moment, with the index itself touching low since 1993. And moving forward, we have items including retail sales and also retailers such as Macy's, JCPenney and Nordstrom reporting on Friday, and there could certainly be market risk for those trading the US markets. And in addition to that, we have interesting events here in Asia with the presidential elections in South Korea here on Tuesday. So South Korean market is closed as the nation goes into voting. Some events that we have pretty much been expecting. So we have seen the Kospi 200 being pretty resilient despite this election taking place. And indeed, with the election passing by, it could actually do the country more good as the political vacuum has passed, and we could see the country moving forward, helping markets as well. So for the rest of the week, what are the items we are looking for? Wednesday, we'll see many Southeast Asian markets close, including Singapore, but China's inflation numbers, so consumer and producer price inflation numbers, will be out, and the market will certainly be looking forward to that, especially the PPI numbers that is due from China. So the market has expected it to have peaked, but we will see if the data could actually match up to the expectations. In addition to that, the Bank of England is also expected to meet. So for those trading the pound dollar, you have seen the currency pair eyeing the 1.3 level at the start of this week. And with the inflation and also growth forecast expected from the central bank, we could certainly see some strength over there should we get some good numbers coming through from the Bank of England. And last but not least, as I've mentioned previously, the retail sales number from the US will be due on Friday. After the strong jobs report number, we could certainly be counting on retail sales to show a rebound over here and help the dollar pairs.